in japa, this particular process. All right. So let us try a few things about that. So let us do. So we said, and then there's like a certain things, certain letters are too hard, like a ka. We can say ka, 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 double ka, or double ka. We want to say ka because aspiration. Hey, look, I don't want to die here. You know what I'm saying? So it's not you. That doesn't mean that that's not a real thought. It could be, but it is not manifestable. Manifestable? You know what I'm saying? Means I can only go 3 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour. I can say that, can you go 100 miles an hour? It's not manifestable. I have a limit. So similarly, this, ka, I like you what you're saying, but my throat and this thing can't. Okay, all right. But ga probably I can, say. Ga. Hard though, hard. Because ga itself has the vibration, and then double ga. So some of those things, they kind of, the people when they used them in the words, so they did not really go for it, because they can't be understood or cannot be said. Do you follow? So those things do not exist. What I'm saying is, if there's a science behind it, that doesn't mean they can't happen. Says that we can't do it, but suppose you restrict your food or do certain things and operate in a certain manner. Some of the people who do tantric pujas and so on. Do you follow? Where you want to see inside your body, so that you have a different practice sessions. You might try to penetrate through you. Can I breathe this way? Can I really hold my breath for 10 seconds? But that's not really necessary. All right? Okay. So most often the cross-pollination between the two varga is ka, kha, ga, gha, is called a varga, and then cha, cha, ja, ja is called a varga. So most often what comes compounded are, you follow, are these semi-vowels. Which are vowels really? Say ya, ra, la, wa. Ya, ra, la, wa. So now those four, which are not really vowel, but they origin from here. You know what I'm saying? I can use them. Do you follow? I can use them because I said before also, so they have something to do with what I said before. I did say. Anybody remembers? Yeah. Ground. So these others were cosmic, as I saw them. Do you understand? My own mental plane saw them. This is the energy I'm getting from here. Do you know what I'm saying? So basically, so I have a model now where I'm connecting those two. So that is where the gra comes, bra comes, vra comes. Do you follow? Kla comes. You follow that? So that is certain kind of these things are called what? Ground has what? Yeah? What ground gives you? Huh? Yeah. Energy, yes. What ground gives you? Food. Know what I'm saying? And the food has what? Food has what? Water. Rasa. You know rasa? Have you heard the rasa? Rasa. So now bhava has a rasa. Bhava is static. Bhava is animated. Do you follow? Animation is going from one place to other. It has a left, right, up, down. So that's we got the animation to it. It's not static anymore. Now we're adding a rasa to it. Do you want to get that? Rasa to it. You know what I mean? So these things will add to it. So they are sweet, they're sour, they're strong, they're fearful. You know what I mean? But the thoughts did not have those. You get that? So they're contextual. Do you understand? So which means they can take different forms and shapes and so on if I go near Shai or go near Ganesha. Same thought. Can I have a different Rasha? Whether the man is my husband, my son. He's a man, the same thought. Purusha. You know what I'm saying? But now I have a little rasa to it. So I kind of say, no, I don't call him that Purusha, I call him a little more love. Do you follow? So that's the idea behind this compounding. You get that? That is, I kind of add. Alright? Do you follow? So say Gagana.
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 Gagana is simple. Gagana. Gagana. Say Dunduhi.
Dunduhi.
Dunduvi.
Dunduvi.
What happens? You know, like so something happening. Right? It's not Gagana. Dunduvi. You know, thunder. Do you follow? Thunder also Gagana. It's okay enough. First, you know, what do you call, in our science, we call the first order. First order. You know what I mean? It's okay. Enough. But then I'm kind of defining more. You know what I mean? And then defining more, Gagana doesn't carry it. See what I'm saying? Then I kind of add these things. Okay? Okay. But the trick is, however, I kind of do, so nda, let us say. Nda is function of na and da. Okay? Na and da. So we do na and da. 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 So na, da. Nda. 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 Ananda.
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 Straight, straight, straight. You can't do this if your body is not straight, I tell you. You know what I mean? There's no point. There's no point. You just can't do it. You just can't do it. Primitive things you can do. But when it comes to compounding, unless you breathe right, you just can't do it. So my point is, why fake? Don't do it, just quit. I didn't do it. Know what I'm saying? Don't blah 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 fake it. So say that yes, I have that body quality, potential, that I can really have, I can say it. I can really, that's called ucharana. Ucharana? Ucharana. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. Do you follow? That I can pronounce it. I'm not a joke. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm not pronounced any way. I pronounce Dunduvi. Dunduvi.
Dunduvi.
Dunduvi.
Dunduvi.
Tunda.
Tunda.
Munda.
Munda.
Alright? So which means that when I say this, right, the certain amount of effect I'm generating. Do you understand? Munda.
Munda.
Tunda.
Tunda.
Do you follow that? By virtue of saying it, certain things are, you don't know what that meant. But you meant this fellow tried. Must be something more than simply saying. Do you know what I'm saying? If that's the effect, you're done. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you follow that? Okay. So the connections, let us say ka we take, and we try to connect with each of those semi-vowels, okay, which is kya,
Kya.
Here.
kya,
Kya.
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 It's easy because ka, ya, a, right? So ya is again coming and held here, not held here. Ya is coming. Ya is coming. So ka and
Kya.
ya came all the way, and then a
Kya.
become the envelope.
Kya. 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 Kya.
Kra,
Kra.
kra,
Kra.
kla,
Kla.
kla,
Kla.
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 You see the glot, coming, opening on this thing, that ka thing,
Kla.
and the law is ready behind, and then kla,
Kla.
kla,
Kla.
kwa,
Kwa.
kwa,
Kwa.
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 Alright? So try that. So try the semi-vowels with each of the. Similarly, you can do cha,
Cha.
cha,
Cha.
cha,
Cha.
cha,
Cha.
cha,
Cha.
chra,
Chra.
chra,
Chra.
chla,
Chra.
chla,
Chra.
chla.
Chra.
Then what? Chua.
Chua.
But they're not used. So I think many of them are not used. But you can try them. If you can say it, you can say it. Okay, no harm. All right. So then let us say ta. We can say tia,
Tia.
tia,
Tia.
tia,
Tia.
tra,
Tra.
tra,
Tra.
tla,
Tla.
tla,
Tla.
tu,
Twa.
khattua,
Khatwa.
khattua.
Khatwa.
All right. But again, you see, don't stay with the sound. It may sound same. See that the original consonant quality. That's what we are trying to convey. So I'm saying that's what we said it, that we have now compartmentalized the universe into these segments. We have a hypothesis saying that by these segments I can describe the universe. First we said that I have many such things in my head, but I can't express them.